Hello students, welcome to my video again. So this is of Vedanta Axel class 10. Now this is unit 9, rational expression. So recently we have finished the creative sections A of the exercise 9.1. So now today we are going to finish this creative section B. We got only few of the questions, only 12A and 12B. So now you can see in 12A, so this type of questions, it has higher probability that this type of questions will be asked in an examination. So just take a look at it with more give more prior to it. Okay, now let's move on to 12A. So Manis and Ayusa were asked to simplify this question. So Manis and Ayusa were asked to simplify this question right here. Okay. So Mani said that to convert to like fractions, first to convert this and this into like fractions, and while you convert the like fractions, the LCM of the denominator was w plus 1. So do you agree with him? Explain and simplify it. So let's go with the methods of what Manis has to say. Okay, go with the methods of Manis. So we have, according to Manis, if we convert this into like fractions, the LCM will be w plus 1. Okay, so in this first expression we can't do anything about it because it is already in the simplest form. So in here you can see this can be further factorized. Let's see what happens. Divided by w square minus 1 can be written as w plus 1 w minus 1. So let's give a little bracket here to make it more convenient. So w minus 1 can be cancelled. So w plus 1 minus 1 by w plus 1. So now you see here, now both the expression has become like fractions, okay, because the denominator is same, and since the denominator is same, the LCM will be the same, this, okay, w plus 1. So the LCM, so these are like terms, like fractions. Since the denominator are same, it becomes the like fractions, a like rational expression, whatever you want to call it. So w plus 1 will be the LCM in this case. So while in case of like rational expression, you can directly operate the numerator, that is w minus 1, and this is the answer. So I do agree with Manis. I agree with Manis. Okay. Yes. And the simplification part is this. Okay. Now let's move on to the number I. So what Ayusa has to say. So Ayusa said that the LCM of the denominators can also be taken as w square minus 1. Okay. So according to Ayusa, LCM is w square minus 1. Let's disintegrate this. W square minus 1 square, it can be written as w plus 1 and w minus 1. Yes? Okay. So I have disintegrated the convert into the factors. Now let's go into the simplification part. W plus 1 minus w minus 1 w square minus 1. So according to her, this w square minus 1 can be written as taken as what we call that, the LCM. So what happened is this w square minus 1 constitute this part. One is w plus 1, one is w minus 1. When w plus 1 is multiplied with w minus 1, it converts into this. So this can be both back and forth. Okay, we can do that. So w, you just write the numerator here, and w plus 1, the LCM is this, which means this. Okay, so w plus 1 is already there, so the missing part is w minus 1 minus, because of the minus, so w minus w square minus 1 is already there, so you only write the w minus 1. Because of this minus 1, I have enclosed inside the bracket, so this becomes w square minus w minus w plus 1. In the denominator, w square minus 1. Now we can take common here, w minus 1 minus 1, w minus 1. So w square minus 1. Now we can write here w minus 1, w minus 1. Or you can just write in this way also, you can do it, w square minus 2w plus 1, which is, you can write w minus 1 whole square. Okay, so no need to do, you can do it by either this way or you can just do this way. Okay, it doesn't matter. So w square minus 1 can be written as w plus 1, w minus 1. You just cancel the same part in denominator and numerator. Now the remaining becomes the remnant w minus 1, another is w plus 1, and this is the answer. Here the same. So Ayusa is also, which is proved, Ayusa is also correct. Yes, you got it. Good. Now, so without delay, let's move on to number 12b. So if you have understood this, then 12b will be just like a piece of cake for you. Okay, let's move on to the number 12b. So I'm going to rub this. Okay, this is how you do this, how you explain things. Okay, okay, after that, let's move on to the number 12b. So 12b is just same like that, only the the given simplification is different, which we have to simplify. That part is different, and otherwise the whatever terms, whatever the the format of asking the question is just the same. Okay, this is only the name are different and all are same. So Rekha and Bindu were asked to simplify this question. Okay, a plus 2 plus a square minus 5a plus 6 a square minus 4. These questions. So what Rekha told is, first to convert to like fractions. Okay, so in this part you cannot do anything about this because it is already in the simplest form. Now you can reduce this into simplest form. So while you reduce this into simplest form, the result will be in the like fractions. Maybe we have to say it, but you know what I mean. Yes. So to convert the like fractions, to convert into like fractions first, and then when you convert the like fractions into like fractions, the LCM will be a plus 2. Do you agree with her? Explain and simplify. Let's see then. Okay, let's take 1 by a plus 2 plus this a square minus 5a plus 6. This can be disintegrate. Okay, factorize. Okay, 3 to the 6, 3 plus 2, 5. Divide by, this can be written as a square minus 2 square. 4 can be written as a 2 square. 1 by a plus 2 plus a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6 divided by a square minus 2 square. 1 by a plus 2 plus, this can be written as, you just take a common, a minus 3 minus 2 a minus 3. And you can a square minus 2 square can be written as a plus 2 a minus 2. Okay. 1 by a plus 2 plus, now this is a minus 3 a minus 2 a plus 2 a minus 2. Now you can cancel this a minus 2 and a minus 2 from both the denominator and numerator, and the remaining will be a plus 2 plus a minus 3 a plus 2. Now just like he said, when you simplify this part, it will come into the same denominator. Okay, so since the denominator are same, then these are like fractions. So in case of like fractions, the denominator is the LCM. So we do have to agree with Rekha. So now if the denominator are same, in case of like fractions, you can just directly operate the numerators. Okay, then a minus 2 divided by a plus 2. This is the answer, and what you write is yes, I do agree with Rekha, which is true. Okay, so in case of Rekha, it is true. Now let's move on to the number 2. So Bindu said that the LCM of the denominators can also be taken as x square a square minus 4. So according to the Bindu's opinion, let's go according to the Bindu's opinion. Now the question is a plus 2 plus a square minus 5a plus 6 divided by a square minus 4. Now according to her concept, the this also can be written as, the LCM can also be taken as a square minus 4. So let's see a square minus 4. So if you have to see this a square minus 4, a square minus 4, a square minus 4 can be written as a square minus 2 square, which can be written as a plus 2 a minus 2. So you can see from here a square minus 4, a square minus 4 can be written as a plus 2 and a minus 2, right? So a square minus 4 constitutes of two terms, that is a plus 2 product a minus 2. If you multiply these two parts, then the resultant will be a square minus 4. Now here you can see, according to Bindu's saying, the LCM will be a square minus 4. So a plus 2 is here is already a plus 2. The missing part of this is here a minus 2. You just write a minus 2, and writing this multiplying by 1 doesn't make any sense, so I'll just leave it. So a square minus 5a plus 6, you can just write this, because a square minus 4 is already there. Here also a square minus 4, just you in this part you just write the only numerator part of the second term, a minus 2. Now a square minus 5a, you just write, I'm just skipping this part, okay? From here to I'm just writing this, minus 3a minus 2a plus 6 all divided by a square minus 4. Now a minus 2 plus a minus 3 minus 2 common, a minus 3. Okay, a square, this 4 can be written as 2 square. So a minus 2 plus here a minus 3 will be common here, and inside the bracket a minus 2. And you can see a square minus 2 square can be written as a plus 2 a minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to rub this part. You will be needing that no more. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. So from there, so I'll just continue from there. A minus 2 plus a minus 3, a minus 2, a minus 2, yes, a plus 2, a minus 2. So from here you can take this and this common. Okay, a minus 2 just write, and from a minus 2 is already gone. Now you write here 1 plus a minus 3 remaining. Okay, so a plus 2, a minus 2, you see a minus 2 and a minus 2 get cancelled here. Now the remaining is a minus 2, a plus 2, which is same as the number I answered. Yes, same. So Bindu's method is also correct. Yes, this is how you represent your answers. So you can also see in the back, the examples written in the textbook. So my way of doing thing is a lot different than the that back example. So you want to present the way, the answer in the way that you want to present, but it should be more effective. Okay, so it's better if you use your own ideas, use your own innovations. That will be great. So for today's video, this much. Okay, so after this we have just recently finished the rational expressions chapter. So after this we'll be starting the, I think, the another portion of exponential equations. Yes, definitely that. Okay, so this much for today, and if you find my content very useful, then don't forget to like, hit and subscribe my channel. And you find this might be useful to other of your friends circles and other colleagues also, you just forward to them. Okay, and please hit like. Okay, and I'm trying to spread this just to make your life convenient while reading mathematics, studying mathematics. Okay, until then, goodbye, take care and stay blessed.